Look, I put this little buddy in there, and little baby. The baby's gone up to the buddy. He's buddying up to the buddy. He's buddying up to the buddy. He says, "This guy looks like a friendly guy." Huh? Yeah, this guy looks like a friendly guy. You about to shield, baby. So, oh, what's it doing, though, baby? Oh, my. You gonna groom yourself? Are we gonna groom yourself? Are we gonna groom yourself? Out of your instincts? Oh, look at that, your baby. Look at that, your baby. Trying to get the right angle so my camera will recognize his face as a face. It's not quite doing it. It recognized that smiley man's face as a face, but it's not recognizing the baby's face as a face right now. Well, that's a face. That's a face. Come on, that's a face. That's a face. East.